Hi children. In the last class, Totem's father was given him an old ship, and now he is happy to lead the ship. Next day, they sailed on the seas for 3 months. They sailed the ship on the seas 3 months. One day, as Totem was standing on the deck, he saw a strip of land far away. One day, Totem was standing on the deck. He saw a strip of land far away. This is the far away from him. And Totem ordered the ship to be steered in that direction. Totem ordered the shipman to be turn the ship to the in that direction where the land is seeing. He ordered to the shipman to turn the ship in that direction. Next day, the ship anchored at the harbor of the prosperous town of Pilvagra. The next day, that the ship was anchored at the harbor of the prosperous town. This is the prosperous means very rich town, that is called as Pilvagra. That the city's name is Pilvagra. This is a very rich city. It was a small town. It is not city, it is a small town. The people were very friendly. Their people were very friendly. Totem went to the local bazaar. Yes, in that Pilvagra city, Totem went bazaar. Bazaar means market. The shops were small but very neat and clean. In that city, the shops were very small but very clean and neat. The shopkeepers took great pride in showing off their wares to the customers. Yes, the shopkeeper were busy to show their wares to the customers. Totem bought small gifts for his family. Yes, in that shop, Totem bought a small gift for that his family. He enjoyed himself thoroughly. He enjoyed himself because he see he saw the very clean and city, and the customers, the shopkeeper is showing wares to the customers, and Totem bought small gift for his family, and he enjoyed himself thoroughly. It was the first time he had traveled so far away from home. It was the first time uh, he he traveled so far away from that family, from his family, and from his home also, and he enjoyed himself. It was evening time. The day was evening now. Totem started feeling hungry. Yes, now Totem was hungry. He and all his crew members sat down to have dinner in a small restaurant. He and his small family and he and his crew members sat down to have dinner in a small restaurant. As soon as they put the first morsel in their mouth, as soon as they're having first morsel, first food in their mouth, they realized that there was no salt in the food. Yes, there was no salt in that food. When they are having first meal in their mouth, they realized that there is no salt in the food. The food was tasteless, means there is no salt. When Totem asked for salt, he was surprised to find the people in this place did not know anything about salt. When he asked the salt for them, and all are surprised that they don't know what is the salt. They don't know about salt. Totem went to the ship and got some salt from one of the 5 big drums his father had given him. Totem bought some salt. What he has brought 5 big drums of salt. He has brought some salt from that drums. What the father has given him. Next day, Totem was invited to the king's palace for dinner. Next day, Totem was invited by the king's palace for dinner. As they sat down for the meal, Totem remembered the salt and put some of it soup. As Totem remembered that already he know that there is no salt in the soup, and he asked for salt, put some of it in his soup. He then offered the salt to the king. Yes, then after he offered the salt to the king and the queen got excited when they tasted the soup with the salt. After mixing that soup, they the king and queen both excited when they tasted the soup with the salt. It was very tasty after mixing the salt in the soup. They liked the new taste. Yes, both queen and king, they both liked the taste. The king wanted to buy all the salt that Totem had. As the king wanted to buy all the 5 big drums of salt what the father has given him, he wanted to buy all the things, all the salt of that he had. Okay, children, you have to read this page today itself, and tomorrow let us see in the next page. Thank you. Have a nice day.